Alright guys, I'll be demonstrating a knight and bishop checkmate for those of you who don't know. I'm pretty sure most of you won't know how to do this. I mean, I learned it like pretty recently as well, so... Okay, so how I'm gonna do this is, first of all I give away my rook. Okay, so give away my rook first. Alright guys, let's just, let's see if I can do this. Okay. So the way I do this, like how to checkmate with a bishop and knight, is first of all you wanna like get the king to the edge of the board, right? Ideally force him to the edge, and then you're gonna bring your bishop here, and then yeah, just do this, and then you have to force him to like the edge, right? And then make sure not to stalemate. So here he has to like move here somewhere. Now I go here, and then force him this way. So how I do this is, okay, my bishop is light square, right? So I have to force him to a light squared corner, right? That's the rule. So how you do this, it's called like the W maneuver, which is kind of like a technical term. But essentially you want to like remember this sort of setup. So your knight goes like this, right? So your knight only goes on these squares, so nowhere else, right? So the corner you want to checkmate the king in, like here. So I have a light square bishop, so I want to checkmate him on the light square, so which means I want to force him this way, right? Your knight has to go on one of these squares, like this. So in this case, right, my knight is not on those squares, so I have to bring my knight to those squares. So how do I do that? Well, first of all, I want my knight here, right? So how do I do that? So bring it here and then here. So like this, and then like this, like this. So like this. Okay, now he has to move here, and I think I can just move my bishop here, and then protect the knight. Right, and you basically just want to force the king like to this corner. So go here, he has to move here, and I move my king over. Wait, hold up. Yeah, this is right. Okay, I thought I messed it up. Okay, so here, bishop here, this covers this diagonal. This knight covers these two squares, so the king actually can't escape. So go bishop here, he has to come back. Right, because the bishop covers these squares, the knight covers these squares, right? The king was here, so he has to move back. My king covers this square, and my knight covers this square, so he has to move back. And now I can just bring my king over, right? And yeah, so now I think I have to bring my king here, right? He has to move back, but then I want to cut off this square. Actually, wait, hold up. I think I messed it up. Okay. Do that again. Right, I need my bishop to cut off this square so he can't move this way. So I want to go here. If he moves here, I think I can just play this move. Wait, hold up. Oh no, I have to play bishop here. So my knight covers this square, king covers these squares, bishop covers these squares, so bishop here, he has to move back. And I'm trying to remember what the move is. So I need to cut him off. So I think king here, he goes here. I think I play a waiting move first. So just, actually no, wait, no, here. Cut off these squares so his king can't go here. Has to move here. Oh wait, I'm trying to remember. What was the move? Oh, I think it's bishop here. Cut off this square. He has to move here, and then I can play knight here. Yes, I think that's right. Yeah, so now I can play knight to d6. Knight to d6, and then if he moves back, I'll just give this check. Okay, he goes there, so I can just move my king over. So move my king over. If he goes back, I can just play knight to b7, right? And then that just cuts off this square, and my king cuts off these squares, so he has to move back. So here, he has to move back. And now I can bring my bishop to d3, cut off this a6 square, so he has to move to the corner. Right, so now he has to move to either of these two squares. And now I think it's pretty simple, right? Just king b6, and then somehow I need to get my bishop on this diagonal and then checkmate him. And my knight has to be on this square. So just go here. Only move is this. And then just force him, like keep making him just alternate, right? So bishop here. Cuts him off, now he has to move back. And now I can just, it's forced here, just knight c5 and knight a6. So knight c5, king b8. So notice how like my king is covering these two squares, right? My bishop's covering this square. So basically his king can only alternate between a8 and b8. So now I can play knight c5, king b8, knight a6, king a8, and then bishop e4, and then that'll checkmate because the knight is covering the square. So knight c5, king b8, knight a6, king a8, and then bishop to e4, and that's checkmate. So that's how you checkmate with a knight and bishop. Yeah, so it's a pretty hard checkmate. I don't really, like, probably in most situations you'll never face this, but yeah, that's pretty much the